Hey everyone, it's Neda. Today I'm drawing a cute little cottage with a tree in a simple scene. I'm starting with basic shapes to build everything up. First, I draw an oval shape for the ground to set the space for the whole scene. Next, I sketch the main part of the house and the roof using simple shapes. Then I add a circle window on the top, another window on the right side, and a door on the left. I draw the base of the chimney on the right side of the roof. In front of the house, I add several rounded ovals to make a little stone path leading to the door. And then I add some simple bush shapes. Next comes the tree. I sketch a tall curved trunk and a big round shape for the top. On the other side, I add a couple of cloud shapes in the sky. Now it's time to add details and refine the sketch. I finished the drawing with a few flowers, and now the full sketch is done. Time to add color. I start with a soft blue for the sky, then color the rest of the scene with happy gentle colors. And that's it, a cute little cottage made with just a few basic shapes and soft colors. Let me know in the comments what you like to draw next. See you soon!